We are pleased to show you the 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, stability control, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find keyless entry, security system, child safety locks, power steering, pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag, passenger vanity mirror, rear bench seat, rear head airbag, adjustable steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.